Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. I am currently under the weather right now, which is entirely unfortunate because I want to be trading right now. For instance, there was just a 70 handle candle that just shot up straight up. So it's unfortunate that we're under the weather. I didn't get to play any poker this weekend. I'm very upset. Good morning, though. If you're here with me in the YouTube chat or in the Discord or in the X, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Archer, Paolo, Joseph, Buffalo Bill, Bullshark, Fenster, Trader, Itai, Adam, Astrid, Paul, Matt, RC, Purgatory Park, Tom, Billy Joe, Edward. Good morning, Nor. Three Lions, Bird, Yakov, AM, Dips, PM Trader, Tafson, Evil Genius, Tay Squeeze, Max, Joseph, Always Be Racing. Good morning. Good morning to July Peppers, S. Retberg, Ferrari Phil, Broccoli, Luna, Fat Citizen, HD, Plum Tingle, Cyrus, Jose, Raphael, Calvin, Big Sky, Fat Guy. Good morning. This market is incredible. I can't stand that I'm under the weather right now. It's just the worst. I don't know what's going on. Like I went like 3 or 4 years without getting sick once. And then I've been sick twice in the last year, which is just like so not me. It's very strange. I don't understand it. Thankfully, it's not too bad. The last one I had was horrible. This is like day 3 of it. I didn't have a weekend this weekend. I went out, went to dinner on Friday, but then Saturday resting, yesterday resting, so. Something in my ACU. Yeah, for sure. Novovirus been going around. It's been a 3-day flu. I could see that. Yeah, that makes sense. These are definitely flu-y symptoms. It sucks. I thought I was going to wake up feeling great today. Nah. I woke up before my alarm. It was just horrible. I did end up trading in my personal account. I gave back some of the gains that I, let me see if I can show this here. Where's the personal account? There. I gave back some of the gains, so we're only up $1,800 now. We were up $5,500, but I gave back some of the gains. I was trading the S&Ps. It's still kind of thin, but I did give back about, like $3,200 off the top there, so it is what it is. But it's tough to trade when you're sick, as you know. Anybody who's been sick before knows it's a little bit tough to trade when you're sick. But this is such a good market. Like, it's so tough as a trader to be sick and then have like the best market ever, and then like this is just, it's too good. I want to be trading this. But my head is going so slow that I can't process the data quick enough. I found that out this morning. I'm giving back $3,000 plus. So, Fat Boy Flex says morning reps is insane. Main 1K trading MES. See, exactly. See, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's crazy. It's amazing. So I don't know how long I'm going to be able to stream with you folks this morning. We'll see how many people turn up for the stream. But I'm feeling, like hot garbage. The S&P, I think, is the cleanest trading one amongst them, but there's so much opportunity in the in the Nasdaq. See how slow my brain is right now? So much opportunity. Like, for instance, this right here, from this to this, is 200 points. Like, dude, 200 points on one single contract is $4,000. If you're trading size, I mean, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars. I mean, there's volume to support it too. So because I got sick like Thursday night, I think I'll be much better tomorrow. I woke up this morning, like, I was so angry this morning when I woke up because I thought for sure, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wake up this morning, I'm gonna feel fine. But man, didn't happen. How's everybody else doing out there? Anybody take any trades? I saw a couple of people talking about their trades here. People who took the COVID-19 shot have AIDS. Yeah, I didn't take the shot. I never got the, what do they call it? I don't even know. There's a bunch of slate. My brain is so slow right now. Yeah. Never got max vaxxed. Banged out a new XFA. Nice work there. Spastric. Very nice. Played the massive swings last night. Caught a few 150-point trades. There you go. Anybody else taking any trades there? The claw shot. There you go. Yeah. You're tired today? I mean, dude, like, I've been through many cycles in the market. And, like, you really, like, as a trader, you get given an opportunity like this. And it's kind of like, I mean, listen, it's not for everybody, right? This is my freaking wheelhouse. Like, this is I wake up like I've been eating a bottle of Blue Chew when I see a market like this. Like, you know the song Brick House? That's my nether region. Sorry. I don't know where I'm going with it. Sorry. This market, like, you go through a bunch of different cycles, right? Like, it's honestly, you're given an opportunity. This is what I call a gift in the market. You're given the opportunity. This will go away. And either this isn't your trading style, or you're going to sit here and be like, dude, why didn't I trade this? Why was I such a fucking And I'm being serious. Like, this market doesn't come very often, but when it does, it's the same thing that happened during COVID. I started trading well before COVID. And it was funny, like, being in, like, around other people who weren't traders, or like people who had just started trading, and they're just like, oh, I'm going to take the day off, or, it's just like, okay. You're going to miss, like, when it's not swinging 200 points at a time. Or maybe you won't. I mean, maybe it's not your style, you know? Maybe it's not your style. And that's fine. If it's not your style, it's not your style. It's not a big deal. But I hate the fact that my brain is working slowly right now. I mean, like, as I've been talking here, we've been live for about 8 minutes. The market has moved in the NASDAQ over 100 points in 8 minutes. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful market. Is it possible to hit 7% down? Who cares if we do? There's so many people out there that don't even know how the market works. Like, people are like, oh no, what happens if we hit 7%? Well, pumpkin, the market halts for a whole 15 minutes and then they turn it back on. Like, people think like the market stops working after 7%. Like, literally, it's so insane. Like, how many influencers are out here? Like, they have no idea about how any of this works. It drives me insane. Can you tell I'm sick? Like, there are so many retarded influencers out there that are like, they have no idea what the they're talking about. It's insane. Like, literally, people who are purported as like Can't say professional? They thought I was going to say okay. Anyway, there's people that out there that are touting that they're professional traders and literally have no idea how the function of the market works. They've never been through a limit down. Don't know what a limit up is. It's just like, it's insane. I gotta match the music. I gotta match the music. Hold on. Yeah, so the market goes down 7%. It just halts for 15 minutes and they turn it back on. There's halt bands. What happens when we go up 7%? Same thing, halt bands. It's just a circuit breaker. It's not a big deal. They implemented that after the big crash that we had in 99. Rips, how do you recommend trading daily drawdown programs? I mean, the same way you trade any other account. What do you mean? Have you ever tried fasting while you're sick? Yeah, I fast all the time. I don't ever stop fasting. I mean, the weekends are kind of like cheating, but I really never stop fasting. I haven't had any Celsius today. That could be. But yeah, market is a beautiful thing right now. The S&Ps are moving like crazy. We're not going to get this opportunity very often. Like the market open was insane. The Globex open was insane. I tried to get filled like right when it opened, and obviously the fill didn't go through. It was a market order too, but it's to be expected. It was very congested. It was freezing very often, and I expected that. We ended up banging out a quick trade on that for 3 contracts to make 5,500, but then this morning gave back a little bit, like I said. I believe you can trade TPT when it's close to -7. I know Tradeify you can close with those. Lost my Blue Sky brokerage account, but the good thing about them is you can reset it. Very cool. We are still coming down. We did break those 17,000s and we are coming down lower here. It's gonna be interesting to see if we actually break below this previous 4-hour high. The thing about, okay, so people who have never traded small caps or traded during COVID, when we did have halts, let's just say that we do hit the halt. I think it's like 16,000 and change, 16,300, something like that. I haven't checked. Let's just say that it's 16,300 even, okay, in the NASDAQ. The market goes down to, the market halts. The part that really can f you over is the part where the market reopens. So it can gap up or down hundreds of points. So there was a small cap stock where every f***ing retard on the planet was literally trying to short this thing, because small cap traders are f***ing retards. Let's be honest. They don't know how to long a stock because they're f***ing retards. And so they were all shorting this stock. The ticker I believe was HKD, and then there was another one called ATXG where I f***ed up all these retard shorters. And I was long this stock, and it gapped up and it kept on halting, and every single time it resumed, all these retards were underwater even more. And so what happens is that they're all rushing to cover and their margins are getting cranked up, and some of their brokers who are running them on a 4x margin are literally going full 100% margin, so they're getting liquidated, right? So you get a whole gaggle of retards that are trying to short a stock, and it starts to halt. And what happens is the kings who are long, they end up making a bunch of profit because their broker is closing them and liquidating their little accounts. This sounds like a nursery rhyme right now. What is going on? Am I actually live right now, or is this a fever dream? I'm losing it, sorry. But anyway, let's just say that you're in a halt and you're trading your own brokerage account, or let's just say you're trading one of these prop accounts. If you're in a halt and they resume, chances are that if you're on the wrong side of it, your account's gonna get blown like crazy. Syncs with this story. Dude, I'm not on NyQuil, I'm on DayQuil, baby. Do you not like all cap traders? I love all cap traders. I just think that small cap traders are a special breed because they don't have any skill at trading. And they all just say, oh, stock up, I short. They all have the same MO. None of them actually learned how to trade during COVID, which is a shame. But anyway. New to stream, blew up big account early in the year, low six figure, looking into prop. Just wondered, do you execute off bookmap on prop? You can if you want to, but I don't. I've never tried to execute trades on bookmap. I've gone through with their team and seen how it works and everything. It looks great, but I'm very specific about the way I like to execute. I don't need to use bookmap to execute. I execute on other platforms. Right now, my personal brokerage account is through TradingView. They do have the inability to go long. I'm serious. It's crazy. Look at that. We did bounce almost perfectly at the prior 4-hour high. Almost perfectly. S&P, I think, is a much cleaner trade. Let's take a look at that. Yeah. Rejected at the weekly open. Almost made perfect double top here. Ah, this music is lovely. What can I put on right now? It's too fun. How about... If you wanted to see me losing my mind live on stream, you've come to the right place. But you know what I want? Hold on. Let's see if they have something like this. This is way too intense. Yeah, let's try this. There we go. Good morning, Rips. With daylight savings changes in Australia, I'm back. Trading the morning open rather than the close. We're back together. Awesome. Good to see you, buddy. We're about to go. I'm from the camp right now based on the processing speed that my mind is experiencing, which is very low. The fact that I gave up $3,000 in my personal account, giving up some off the top. I don't want to go red in my personal for the day. What am I up in that thing? I'm up $1,800. So $1,800, I probably want to lock it up. I don't know if I'm going to take any more trades today, given how slow my brain is working. You ever get that? Where it's just like, you just kind of know. How is traded fine? I took 150K sim to fund it. I'm liking it so far. I think it's great. I think their dashboard's excellent. I think the journaling tool is excellent. Mario will be there tomorrow. Take it easy, rest up. Yeah, that's the plan. I just wanted to hang out for a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to take any trades. I'm kind of looking to see if the opens up. I don't know. My brain's so broken. I'm like, oh, the open's in like 13 minutes. I'm like, nope, it's an hour and 13 minutes. Oh my God. Yeah, it's all the Wagyu that's making me foggy. That's what it is. I think you really enjoyed the Detroit Experience, one of my favorite albums. I would be able to play that if I could. I would not be able to play that, even if I could find it, but yeah. Did you see the drop last night? I traded it. I traded it live. With all props, there's a trade-off, right? You're getting access to simulated capital, which you can actually get paid out real money on. And so there's a trade-off for that. If you try to trade your own real money, the chances are is that you're going to probably lose that pretty quickly. So props give you a way to kind of enter into that battleground without having to risk losing a lot of money. I mean, an account can be as cheap as $19 sometimes, or even cheaper. I think it's like $7 with Apex sometimes. So the trade-off is that there's going to be trailing drawdowns. There's going to be intraday trailing drawdowns. There's going to be rules that you have to abide by. There's going to be profit caps. But the thing is that your demand should be low for those things, right? Like your need to have, okay, I don't want these rules. I don't want these payouts. I don't want this profit cap. All of that is there because you're actually getting such a good deal by trading with props. I've seen people that try to say, oh, the rules are unfair and all this, and they'll go trade their own money. they're going to end in ruin. And I've seen it happen many, many times. So where did I catch the trade? Yeah, I tried to get in here. Let me see if I can show this actually. Ding, 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 ding. This was it right here. So I got filled here, added here, and then covered here. It's 3 contracts. It's good for $5,500. So, I mean, you can see here, this is like 800 and this is down to almost 500. So you're talking about like a 300-point range in this little small piece there. There's only 3 contracts that I traded because, you know, I didn't want to like, I'm trading more than that. I'm a psychopath. If it's, you know, I tried to get filled up here though. Like I tried to get filled right when we opened. All my orders got rejected. And these were market orders. I wasn't using limit orders. Every single one of my orders got rejected on the way down. But that was for $5,500. Like I said, since giving back a little bit here, I'm up now $1,800 on the day. So it is what it is. And it's the reason why I'm no longer up $5,500 is because I took some trades this morning and they didn't work out. So could have done better, you know, always could do better. Do Tradeify support international payouts? I believe so. There's probably a restricted countries list that they have. If I ever dart out of frame, it's because I have to sneeze, by the way. You see 2 million payout of Jade Cap? I did not. I think that's what they're queued up for. I don't know if they got paid out, but they're a fantastic trader. I think that they're very talented. There are certain people that I think that are worth following on X, and I firmly believe that they're one of them. There's a lot of nonsense out there. There's so many people that have a huge amount of following that probably have never strung together even one single profitable year. Did you trade live on YouTube or Discord? I seen PW was up at 3 to trade London. I did not. I just, it was Globex, so it was 3 p.m. my time yesterday. And I was sick, still sick. I don't like speaking that into existence either. Like, I don't like broadcasting that I'm sick because then I feel like it will keep me sad. Weird thing, but I like to keep it private, like when I'm sick, so that I can try to heal faster. I don't know, it's stupid. But yeah, took that when I was sick. That was that. If we do break below in the NASDAQ here, if we hold below 17,011, I think that we have a chance to break below 959 halves. So that's kind of a little bit of a setup there. We're at the lower end of this volume shelf right now, so we'll see if we can actually break that. Superstitious? Yeah, I used to be very superstitious, especially when I played a lot of like Baccarat and Blackjack. What game was that at RE you posted a stack of? My poker trading algo found you, former dealer, 15 years, nice stack. That was actually in the Poker Go studios, my friend. Where'd you used to deal at? That episode will be airing in probably 6 to 12 weeks. I wish it would air tomorrow. It's a great episode. That was a game with Roble, Garrett, Adelstein, and a couple other big names. And your boy Ripsy. Can't imagine how many accounts got blown last night. I mean, yeah, I guess, yeah. Inexperienced traders not knowing, like look, my account is huge. Like not huge, but like I have a decent size account. It's close to, it's nearing $500,000 mark for my personal brokerage account. That account on the drop, I traded 3 contracts off Globex Open, 3 contracts. Like I can trade. Even with the margin requirements, they actually hooked me up with lower margin requirements that was available at AMP. But I could take 50 contracts if I wanted to. But like, dude, and imagine, like, let's imagine that I got filled somehow 50 contracts. Like, there's no way I could have made on a 900-point drop. I mean, that's close to $1 million, right? 50 times 20 times 900. Yeah, 900K, obviously, duh. Think of the taxes though on the personal. Yes, much better than props. I'm trading on TradingView. For the prop accounts, I trade on TradeAway right here. I haven't taken any trades in the prop accounts yet. They're exactly where they were on Friday. Harris Chester, Harris Cherokee. Oh my God, I'm so sick. Golden Nugget, Lake Charles, Parks, lots of poker, tons of high limit Bach as well. Nice. That's awesome. If you ever come out to Vegas, say what up. Donovan says, I was up 4K at Asian Open, couldn't close out. One got liquidated and one's still running. Minus 15K hasn't been liquidated. Couldn't close out. Contact support. Sorry to hear that. Box is the nuts. Yeah. People think they know like what real wealth looks like until they walk into a baccarat salon. They're like, what is this guy actually betting $250,000 a hand and he's playing 2 spots? What? I'm sure you've probably seen some outrageous swings in Bach. Millions and millions of dollars in the session. Yeah, futures have an amazing tax benefit, believe it or not. They're taxed at a dual tax rate, 60% and 40%. So it's lovely. Let's see here. Nice work there, Broccoli. Way to go there, buddy. Base hits in the TPT account. Very nice, making it happen. Our tax is 0% for Puerto Rico. There is no capital gains tax. I lived out there for a long time. No interest in going back. Didn't we have any advice or anything to say about Doge and Trump coin? I mean, not really, no. Why does futures have a better tax rate? I mean, it's just the way of the world. It's just one of those things that's still around. That's been like that for a long time. Anybody in any trades right now? We are kind of bouncing off the previous 4-hour high right now. It is holding as support. How'd you like it in Puerto Rico? I lived in a very affluent area. It was extremely nice. I lived inside of a Ritz country club, so it was very, very nice. There was a time where I didn't leave the front gates for a very long time because it was, I mean, it's kind of like its own city sort of thing. But yeah, it was lovely. What deal does Apex have now? Minus 50% off. So 50% off. More ribs. I hope everyone has a peaceful day. Thank you, Mo. Good to see you, buddy. Bro, is Iron Man of the wrist? No lies detected, my friend. It's, yeah. Sorry for not tuning in lately due to the Ramadan and change of time. Well, welcome back. The Ribs Carlton. Yeah, there you go. It's funny. 5 to 20 micros, always starting at 5, then DCA if it supports my level. I have a rule no more than 30 micros, and I'll only do that if it's A+. 5 micros make you money in this market. Yes. Do we stick around for the open or what? I'm kind of torn right now. What do you folks want to do? Yeah, it's some amazing guitar playing right now. Trade the open. We just auctioned off about 100 handles there off the low, if not more, in the NASDAQ. Boost, scoot, and rally here. The White House Director Hassett said over 50 countries negotiating on tariffs. Idea that tariffs will cause economic nuclear winter is completely irresponsible. Just came out. That's why we're getting this spike right now. I'm sick right now. If you're tuning in late, I'm very much under the weather. It's like frustrating the heck out of me because I can't. My brain is so slow right now. It'd be pretty irresponsible for me to trade. Maybe props. Let's see here. Did I play Venetian this week? I didn't. I've been sick all weekend, so I didn't do anything. Stayed home. I thought I'd be well by now, but I'm not. Oh, it's so crazy how good this market is. So frustrating. 250 points in the NAS. Oh my God. It's so sick. It's so good. It's so freaking good. It is so good. Oh my God, it's so good. Longer I stay here, the more likely there is I'm going to trade too. Prop trade and locker gains. Then I'd feel pretty unsatisfied about not getting any money out, you know? I don't know what to do. I'm in that situation where I don't have the time. Excitement to trade, is that a good thing? I mean, if you're not excited to trade, then don't trade, I'd say. Let's see if we break out here, 17,200. S&Ps are looking to break out too. Look at that, like in a flash, it's 20 handles. It's insane how good this market is. 40 handles. These guitars feel like brunch in Buenos Aires. Wow. Yeah, why don't we get these legs up? Casual 200 points. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, this market is so freaking good. It's unbelievable how good it is. Just have to catch like a little tiny piece of the rip. It's insane. Pays you so much. That's all because of that headline that just came out. Where'd it go? The director Hassett from the White House said that over 50 countries right now are negotiating on tariffs. That's the press release from the White House. Fighting demons with Deckard and Tristram. That's amazing. Does sound like that, doesn't it? Look at that. So we hit as high as, what was the high on that? I think he's done with his interview. High was, oh, I have the wrong chart. My God, I'm so slow today. High was 231, and then that's 100 point, 200 points up, 100 points down. Unbelievable. This is crazy though. It's a beautiful market. Think we're in for some emergency cuts. I'd be pretty shocked to see that, especially with the way that the 10 year is being bid right now. Yeah, I'd be shocked to see that. I'll be right back, folks. Don't go anywhere. And we're back. Oh boy, oh boy. If you're just tuning in, yes, we are very sick. Even sicker that I want to trade these markets really bad and I feel like I can't. This music makes it sound like he's slowly dying. Maybe that's what's going on. Man, what a sick candle that was. So dope. Market looks like it's still trying to roll here off of that news that we had. Get some titanium white, some tallow blue. Rest in peace, Bob. Miss him. Hey, there you go, SW. Nice work, buddy. This is a club banger in backcountry. Yes, it is. This is the greatest. That's so funny. This thing wants to probably test the weekly open yet again. Could be pretty tricky though. What are the S&Ps doing? What the dog doing? S&Ps are slowly fading 5,000s here. Testing that break of 49.90 in the S&Ps. Did the guy off X show his P&L for $100K from you? I offered him $1 million. He didn't take it. I offered him $1 million. And he said, I can't produce that. Give me a second. And we're back again. Whew. Just had some emergency. Ever had that stuff? Wow, there's that break at 49.90. Weekly open break as well. Whew, going for a tussy. MBT moving a lot more sane than NQ. Yeah, trade whatever instrument works best. Don't break yourself because trading something outside of your wheelhouse. Dude, NQ is fading super hard again still. Makes you wonder if it's actually going to hold this break below 100. You're vibing to this music? It's not bad, right? I don't think it's that bad. Yeah, we're breaking that weekly open now. Market looks tumultuous. It's very thin though. Extremely thin. Be interesting to see what happens off the open as well. It's interesting on the market rolling like this, there's still people that are trying to cover short, so it pops the market right back up. That break in S&Ps was clean though, 49.90 break. Lovely. What's up, Josh? Hey, brain herd market looks still. That's fun. Are we back in the area of Dixie impacting indices more? Probably not. I wonder if it's worth trying to take a little snapper dinger on the S&Ps. I don't know. Velocity has slowed down a little bit. I don't know any Aria dealers. I know a lot of people at Aria, like the poker director and stuff like that. If you're local in Vegas, I could probably introduce you to the right people. Yeah, this is why I didn't take a short here. This velocity looks a little funky. Still just watching. I wonder what's going to happen here at the top of the hour. It's going to be very interesting. Anybody trading this right now? This music and a Benjamin Franklin are the only thing. It's a Benjamin Franklin. Oh, Lord. That's funny. Took a long off the open retest and reclaim. Nice. There you go. Hey, Ripstead, why does the market always open with a gap, especially on Mondays? It doesn't. There's times when it doesn't. But you have to understand that there's some times that the prices are going to reflect differently after a weekend of newsworthy events. We're obviously in a very heavy news cycle right now related to the ongoing trade wars and tariffs. So there was no spectacular news over the weekend. Crypto was dropping. Crypto is heavily supported by, like, you're going to see crypto move in tangent with the indices often. And so when you have crypto down, no positive news regarding the trade tariffs war, well, you're going to have a down market. That's why we have the gap. The market is only open 5 days a week. Sunday evening is considered sort of Monday's trade still. So 5 days a week, 23 hours a day. It's down from 1 hour each day for maintenance. That's why you get gaps. You'll have gaps after the maintenance period, gaps on Monday. This is a much better vibe. That's funny. Sometimes I go on rants too. Wow, pop-up could not reclaim that there. Wowzers. It's setting it much lower now. Markets are coming down. Dang, it's coming down heavily. If we flush below, let's see here, this 75 level and hold this flush, I think we have more pain, potentially. A lot of bids here accepting this liquidity though. So here's the previous 4 hour high. Let's see if we can break this. 49.61's last trade. Had my trade ID off the previous channel support at 17.080, but got scared to pull the trigger. Would have been 50 points in 15 seconds. Hesitation is going to be a killer in this market. Question becomes whether or not we're going to break this previous 4 hour high or not. Think Trump will give Vietnam another shot? Can't let that L hang over America's head. Maybe. We'll have to wait and see. Good morning to everybody watching on X. I believe we got over 500 people watching on X right now. Yeah, this market is still providing insane opportunities. Some more press release here. There's a lot of people supporting this previous 4 hour high, but it's also the VWAP is lower too, and this thing can snap pretty quickly. It's pretty crazy to see this. This is the S&P. It's moving like the NASDAQ. It's crazy. A lot of liquidity below us, as expected. This is like the lower end of the volume shelf as well. You can see right there, we just absorbed a ton of it. Still tons of sellers here on this day. That was, how many contracts here? 800 contracts. Iceberg order, of course. How does that scare enough of these shorts to cover up higher? It's Trump's trade advisor Navarro. He's talking on CNBC right now. He said that any discussion of recession seems silly. Market is trying to find its bottom. Countries will have to discuss lowering their non-tariff barriers and TBs to trade. References Vietnam's VAT, value-added tax. So that's what's happening right now. That's why we're seeing this kerfuffle down here. Can you ask now if you can trade your fund on top step? Sure. Why not? Question is if you want to, do you want to trade it? This is a tough environment for newer traders. Do you want to be trading in this environment? Should be the question you're asking yourself. And we're pushing up a little bit here. A little bit of a micro squeeze off those 4 hour highs. Remember, we're talking about if it breaks this, it can go lower, but it certainly did not. We're willing to negotiate with the U.S. on tariffs. EU Commissioner President von der Leyen. Say that 3 times fast. So again, this is the market that we're in right now. Lots of breaking news. If you see these huge points happening, you don't know why. The reason why is because we're getting a flow of news here. So Commissioner President von der Leyen just said, ready to negotiate with the U.S. on tariffs. U.S. tariffs are hitting developing countries hard. So I believe this is the effect that Trump wanted to see. This is just like gambling. Yes, get the dice out and let's roll for a freaking 11. Let's get the yo 11 on the first roll and scream it from the top of our lungs. Do you know what I mean? Let's get the dice out. Let's shake those bones, baby. How'd you blow your account? I was watching this Rips guy on YouTube and he said gamble. Oh, Lord. Please don't gamble. Time to remind the globe who's in charge. That is sort of the underlying here. All life is a gamble, baby. Long the M&Q here. Wow, nice. Look at you, big man. How many M&Qs did you trade on that? You're insane. You're sick with it. I wonder if we're going to hold this reclaim here. We're just kind of bouncing off the weekly open, daily open. Von der Leyen said she's going to focus. Is that a she? Set up an import surveillance task force? What is going on? What is it a he or she? Von der Leyen's a she, right? I gotta see. Von der Leyen. Yeah, dude, that's who I thought it was. It's Ursula. Ursula. She's the EU Commission president now. Wow. Crazy. You folks are funny, chat. You should see how the news are covering the tariffs in the UK. Spill the beans. What's going on? What are they saying? Who said that? The bar. Navarro on CNBC just said the market's trying to find a bottom, so it's time to dig in. That's so sick. It's time to dig in. Let's dig in, everybody. Sorry, some of these people that speak are just so funny to me. It's time to dig in. It's time to dig in, baby. The market's trying to find a bottom, so it's time to dig in. Let's go. Get those 401ks. Let's light them up. It's time to dig in, dude. What if he said it's time to lock in? What if he said that? Oh my God, I'd be firing lots in right now if he said that. It's time to lock in, everybody. That's probably what I heard in my head. Listen, the market's trying to bottom, so it's time to lock in. They can always use other ways of saying things, but they always pick the funniest words to say. Let's get pranked. They're making out like Trump is making it up as he's going along, talking like it's 08 again. Interesting. One lot from 17,200. I don't even have the NASDAQ up right now. I'm like looking around. Oh, you were short. Dang. I wonder if we're actually gonna find a way to push out of this range right now. We're just bouncing between the previous 4-hour high and the daily open, so be curious to see. I still haven't taken any trades since I've been live on stream. Still sitting here at $1,800 profit on the day. But I'm tempted. Not gonna lie, I'm tempted to dig in. Let's dig in, everybody. You're at $466 with 2 micros. Nice. We got 5 minutes to the top of the hour. We should expect some decent fireworks. You're already up 869 on the day. Hey, it's awesome. Commentators said the Wall Street rich and elite have been punishing Trump for his tariffs and deliberately tanking the market. Wall Street always votes Democratic. Interesting. Interesting take. Treasury Secretary said the dip is related to DeepSeek. What? No. That's crazy town. I think both the updated MC levels are fire. I think they're definitely worth using in tandem with market structure for sure. You missed nothing. I haven't taken any trades yet. Be right back. And are we back to the lullabies? Oh my goodness. Oh man, I can't wait to not be sick anymore. I hate being sick. It's like one of my most hated things is being sick. We got the top of the hour in 2 minutes here. 2 minutes till the top of the hour. Should be interesting. Yeah, if we get to 500 likes, we will do a poll. God, my body's feeling freaking weak right now. Get sick from touching all the cards. I mean, dude, what's crazy is like I rarely ever get sick. I'm like shocked by it. It's got to be that Nova virus thing. It's got to be it. Happy little 5-minute bars. I don't know. When was the last time I was sick? Like top of the year? January? So annoying. Today's got to be the last day, though. I would think today's got to be the last day. Yeah, I forgot to take zinc yesterday. Yeah, this is day 3. I think it's day 3. Rub some honey on your thighs? I feel like that'd just get me attacked by a bear. I don't think that'd do Sorry about that. Truth Social post. Back down we go. Don't be stupid, don't panic. Okay. Patience and greatness will be the result. I don't know. I'm hearing them read the Trump truth right now thing. Oh, let's see what he said. The United States has a chance to do something that we should have done decades ago. Don't be weak, don't be stupid, don't be a panikin. What's a panikin? Don't be a panikin. Be strong, courageous, and patient, and greatness will be the result. What's a panikin? Trump said that. Don't be a panikin. It's so funny. Don't be a panikin. Israeli central bank leaves rates unchanged at 4.5. We keep on toying with this 5,000 level. It's very interesting. Panicking. Don't be panicking, Skywalker. That's funny. I'm just listening. They're yapping about it right now. Trading ES today? I might. I may. The book's a little kinder in ES. Oh, I feel like hot garbage. It's crazy. What are the symptoms of novovirus? Let me see this. Novovirus. I mean, the thing is like it got my my throat and my nose and everything early on. Is that how it starts? Is that how you get it? It's got to be like, do you like sneeze or anything? Because that's what my symptoms were originally, you know? I just feel like hot garbage. Let's see if we're going to trade back down to like 77 lows here at all. I mean, we are now in the danger zone. It is 28 minutes till the market opens. You're touching those filthy chips and licking your fingers. I make a habit of every single time I scoop a pot, I grab the chips and I lick them. It's how you win. Just put 2 masks on. Like the Don or not, he's been amazing for trading volatility. Dude, I love this volatility. This is amazing. Today's market, it just has me bummed out that I'm not at full health because I think I could be nailing this right now. If you had novovirus, you'd be in bed. It's nasty. Shiver shakes come out both. Yeah, maybe I don't have that. Maybe I just have like a weak cold or something. I don't know. I don't know what I have, but it's a freaking annoyance. It's horrible. I hate it. Not a huge fan of it. What's going on in the NAS here? I think NAS is still testing the 17,100 area too. Coming down to this volume shelf. Contract are we on in NQ? The June? NQM? The Junes? Sounds like gonorrhea. That's probably what I got from your mom. She's a nasty woman. Out of everybody in chat, your mom's the worst. You have the casino virus? Maybe. That could be what it is. For me, it was like a normal cold, but flu strength weird. Yeah, that's kind of what I have right now. No sneeze, not even high temp, sore throat though, feeling really tired. Go get amoxicillin. I had it, needed 2 weeks of antibiotics. Dude, what? Yeah, dude, my Thursday recovery was so off. You remember I said Friday I didn't get any sleep? That's what it was. Something brewing. So annoying. Oh, let's see. We're back to normal margins, by the way. Welcome back. We're back to normal margins. Just got the alert. How long ago was that? Oh, dude, that was a long time ago. 20 minutes ago. How about that? I'm getting some pho today. I've had pho the last 2 days, and it's like this magical broth from this place. It's delicious. So I think that's what I'm going to do. What's up, Alan? Sleep kills the immune system? What? No. More sleep I get, the better I feel. The thing with being sick or having a cold or flu is no vitamin or remedy will help you feel better. The only thing you need to do is rest and stay hydrated. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do as soon as I finish the stream here. We'll check out the open together and then figure it out from there. Oh, yeah. Having no sleep. Correct. I thought you were saying no. Sleep kills the... See, this is how tired I am. Can't even read English sentences. Yeah, gotcha. I get it. Back to normal margin. It's, I trade on my personal brokerage account, and they had my margins bricked up to like 25 or 50%. Now they're back to normal. So the whole panic volatility thing is kind of off. They can turn it right back on. Don't get me wrong. Like they could send an email. Like if the open goes ballistic, they can just, send out an email and say margins are going up. I don't know if AMP returned to regular margins or not. Their clients are different than who I trade with. I trade with EdgeClear. Oh, there's that break. Beautiful break of 17,100. We do have the market opening in about 23 minutes here. Wow, beautiful break there. Lasted a few days and went away quickly. Yeah, I feel like this is going to go away quickly. I woke up this morning, I was shocked. I was shocked that I still had it because like last night I was going to bed. I was like, dude, got this thing in the bag. It's going to be so easy. Like wake up, feel great, trade the crap out of these markets. Super excited. And then, yeah, different things happened. Yeah, this thing is selling off heavily. Still very, very heavy here. I think we're probably going to get down to that previous 4-hour high area again, which is about 20 handles below us. So still a lot of sellers on this tape. A lot of short covers here too. Temporary short covering. Vapor Rub? Yeah, I love that stuff. I'm on Dayquil right now. Oh. Does Ninja send out emails about margin? They should. You should have margin alerts. And they should have been adjusting their margins. I'd be shocked if they didn't. Be pretty crazy. Want me to send you a night nurse? I'm good. What's the best, prop firm or personal capital? For most people, it's going to be prop firms. Otherwise, you're going to get your cheeks clapped. You're going to get blasted. Props are going to be better for 99% of people out there. Personal capitals, it's a whole different beast. Look at this little shimmy and shake right here in the S&Ps. We're just doing a little pitch and catch in like a 5-point range here. This is crazy. It really wants to break these 70s to the downside, but there's a lot of shorts that are still trying to get out of this thing. Look at this. It's just got like a heartbeat right now. This is crazy. It's wild. God, this is such a good market. It is so nice. I'm going to miss this when it's gone. I'm going to miss all this beautiful volatility when we have to go back to less volatility. A lot of distribution here, 72 to 75. There's any news today? Not really, no. There's a couple different things. We get a 3 and 6 month bill auction, which is short term, so nobody really is going to go crazy for that. We get the consumer credit report out at 2 p.m. Eastern. You know, trade that personal capital, you'll never get it though. I mean, you can trade props. I don't get what you're saying. Should go in 5 to 7 days. Boy, I hope not. This is day 3 or 4. I hope not. I was feeling it like Thursday night. Obviously, I got terrible sleep Thursday night. Horrible sleep Thursday night. I think I played poker on Thursday, right? Yeah. And there it goes, right through 49.70. Wowzers. Still very heavy here. VWAP at 49.43, the lower VWAP. Interesting to see if it takes that out. No, of course they didn't. That pipsqueak ever show you his P&L? He doesn't have it to show. We would have to Photoshop a broker statement. That's highly illegal to do. I know when people are talking, like, you know, I know when people are yapping. It's pretty obvious. I used to get very inspired by people on X, when it was Twitter back in the day. People posting like big wins. It used to inspire me. I'd always look at that as like motivation for my own trading. So it's always interesting when you see it rub somebody the wrong way and they're just upset about it. But it makes sense. Losing your own money hits different. Yeah, for sure it does. But, oh my God, look at that. Oh, probably got a tweet here. Let's see. Something, right? Something's got to have been said here. Oh, you liked the short, did you? Well, let's run it up. How many points? 20 points now? 22 points? My hands are down here, by the way. I'm not clicking anything. I'm just watching the price action with everybody here. I might take a trade once the market opens. We'll see. I might. We shall see. We're in the south of Spain. I like this. This is a nice vibe. It's chilling me out. I'm not gonna lie, this is nice. If I do trade maybe the ES, I don't know. I'm not really like, dude, I should probably lock it up with 1,800 bucks profit, you know? It's just that the market moving this much gets me so excited. It's gonna have to be like a really easy trade. How often do you actually trade your personal rips? Twice a month? I posted last month's broker statement. I traded it pretty often. Made 100K last month. Didn't have a single red day. I think we passed 100K now. Well, if we still had 5K. We're at right around $100,000 on the month, 7 days in for this month, which I'm proud of, obviously. Yeah, Carmine Rosado, he's another one he's a real trader too. I respect him quite a bit. There's very few of us, but we're out there. I mean, and again, in the bigger picture of things, like I'm a total, how can I say that? I'm a total small fry in the futures trading space. I'm trading this account specifically to stream with. I opened it on January 21st. There's people that are making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars trading their accounts per day. I don't pretend like I'm like, oh man, I'm crushing it. But, you know, we're doing this, we're doing it transparently, we're sharing the results of it. It is what it is. How you manage your taxes? I have a whole team that deals with all of my taxes and accounting. I have a firm, an accounting firm that handles all of my stuff. Out of sight, out of mind. Don't have to worry about it. Sign here, wire goes out, ACH, check, whatever. Yeah, there's some good traders out there on social media, believe it or not. There are some people out there that are transparently sharing their journey, but there's, you know, like 85% are just nonsense. Take pause when somebody's yapping a lot and they don't post any kind of results. Take pause on that. If somebody's posted results, maybe they're worth looking at. Yeah, most are nonsense. It's true. I hope that there's people like myself and Carmine out there, and Kane was one of them too. I just hope that there's more people that are transparently sharing, broker statements, results, because the industry needs that, so that we can all kind of point at these people who are fakers and be like, haha, and then bury them. And they can go away. You know what I mean? Yeah, Vincent's another one. He's a good one. Trades options very well. He's changed his life from trading options. But what is the common thread amongst all the people who are real, besides the fact that they're transparent? They've all been doing this for a very long time. That's the common thread. Anybody who's consistently posting results, they've all been doing this for an extremely long amount of time. Not a single one of them is like, oh, this is my 3rd month in, dude, just crushing it. You know what I mean? That's the common thread. Of all these people out there, the handful of them, or a couple handfuls of them that are actually transparent, showing broker statements, showing real trades, etc. Or even like folks that are killing it on prop firms, like people that are making millions from prop firms or hundreds of thousands from prop firms. They've been doing this for a while. Early success is almost a killer to people. I know it set me back years. Yeah. The very first week that I started trading back in 2013, 2014, whatever it was. The very first week I started trading, I crushed it like first day or 2 days or whatever. And I thought it was the easiest thing I'd ever done in my life. I was like, oh my God, this is a joke. I can't believe people think this is hard. And so began my journey. This is my year number 11 here. We are 12 and a half minutes till the market opens here. I'm going to see if there's a setup for me to take, but I don't know. Part of me just says I should probably just be done, but we'll see. If the market open is nice, then we'll see. What's your best trading advice for a trader going through a tough stretch of trading? Size down, focus on using a paper account or props, but you have to take it seriously. You can't just be like, I know the human brain wants us to be like, oh, well, I need to get back above water or whatever the case, and I need to double down or I need to use size. Like, I'm tired of waiting. Let's go. That's what hurts you most. It's trying to rush. So size down, use props, use paper accounts, size down tremendously. Like, just start sizing down. If you can't trade well on 1 micro, what makes you think you're going to be able to trade well on 10 minis? Doesn't make any sense. And I know it's a tough pill to swallow because we always want to put on big size, big numbers, big green, big days. But you got to earn it. You got to get there. It takes time. Lots and lots of time. It takes a very long time. But once you get there, you can start sizing up a little bit. It'll start to make sense. But then there's some people like still, you get to the point where you're ready to size up and then the numbers like essentially double or triple or whatever. And then it kind of freaks you out. Some people just aren't built for that. So some people will be locked in a smaller size, but hey, what kind of gig can you sit here and press some buttons and make hundreds of dollars, or thousands, depending on what your size is. Just chill, relax. Don't try to rush things. The more you rush, the more it's going to push back on you. Careful trading when sick. This is an easy red day if not careful. I agree. But it's also a tremendously opportune day, in my opinion. Spastrick says, I sized down and changed my chart to show ticks instead of dollar profit. Went for a single micro and had tick target instead of dollar P&L target. See? That's somebody who's going to be a fantastic trader. 5 years from now, like epic trader. Trading's always going to be hard. It just gets more manageable. The difficulty gets manageable. Anybody who tells you trading is easy is stupid. That's not. It's never going to be. It's always difficult. Will prop firms go away due to economic crisis? No. God, no. Definitely not. Unless like, the owner of that prop firm that you're trading at is trading like their own account and going crazy and like using company funds and embezzling and doing illegal things. Like, sure, yeah, maybe. But no, the model doesn't change. Do you know what I mean? Like the model doesn't change of prop firms because the market's volatile. It's still the same model. First time trading options, I spent 100, made 1,700, thought it'd be every day. I lost it all 3 days later. Sounds about right. That's just the way it goes. I mean, we have monkey brains, right? We're stupid. we're all stupid at our core. We do stupid things at our core because it's our natural reaction to do stupid things. You know, we're monkeys. That's what we are. We're literally monkeys. Like we're chimpanzees and we're clicking buttons and, oh no, red, need to make more, double size, go, go, go. Like, you're a stupid idiot. I know. You know what I mean? Like, at our core, we're all retards. It's true. We do the dumbest things. We really do. What's with the background music? I mean, we're in Greece right now. Up on the mountains. Lizard brains, monkey brains, whatever. We got stupidness at our core. Dude, the amount of times that I've done dumb stuff trading, it's unbelievable. Good morning, hope you had a good weekend. I sent you a message on Insta waiting for your response. It might be locked in the spam box. What's it about? Can you share what the message content is about? Which is better, trading options or futures? Futures, I think, will give you a less difficult time. Options give you far more leverage than futures products, but that leverage goes both ways, right? I've seen traders do bad in both things, but I think futures are a lot. Futures, you're buying here and now where the price is. Options, you're kind of hoping like, I want the puck to go here. You know what I mean? You're playing them. There's a lot of different things that go into it, but I would say stick to futures probably. Options can get you in a lot of trouble. There's no prop firms for options that I'm aware of, you know. With options, you can end up owing the broker. I mean, no, because you're buying if you're selling naked options, sure, but no broker is going to allow you to do that unless you have the cash to cover it, you know. I can't imagine a broker. They'd have to be a really messed up broker. But no, the great thing about options is that when you buy a contract, if you expect zero, you're going to do well. You know what I mean? Like, you can buy a contract, the only thing it can go to is zero. Now, if you're selling contracts, there's infinite downside to that because you have to cover if it goes ballistic. Can trade options on margin accounts? I don't know of any firm that's going to allow you to trade a contract of options on margin. I don't. You're always going to be settling in cash. I don't know of a single registered broker that's going to allow you to trade options on margin. Because options are a 100x margin product, essentially. Portfolio margin? Yeah, I mean, essentially, sure. Yeah, you could use portfolio margin, but not like, you're not getting like 4x margin on your cash like you are with equities. Yeah, it's, okay. If you have long-term holdings, it's different. You can use the leverage of those, yes. But that's different. It's different, yes. I'm sorry, I should have clarified, yes. I'm just saying, like, it's, if you're doing that, they're going to liquidate part of your portfolio if you have to. There's a lot of things that can go awry with that. Don't be like, don't be leveraging your long-term holdings and doing stupid options plays. This is going very Wall Street's bets. I can't believe people are crazy. This goes back to like the lizard brain conversation. People are freaking nuts. Stuff that people want to do out there. It's crazy. It makes me like, it gives me anxiety thinking about it. That's what I love about like my futures account. It's like, yes, I'm trading on margin, but like I have margins in place that are there to protect me. Wow, we came all the way down to 49.60. Wow. We got 5 minutes till the open. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Somehow I'm feeling progressively worse. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Whew. This is insane. Wowzers. S&P going crazy. NASDAQ probably doing the same. Yeah, oh my God. How big of a whip was that in NAS? Dude, is that like 100 President Trump is speaking right now. Oh, this is insane. Japan is sending their top team to negotiate with the US. This still looks extremely heavy because if we were going to catch a bid, we would have done it by now, right? On all these little pops. I don't know. That's my 2 cents. Who knows what it means? It just feels like it's heavy. Buy the open? Okay. Good luck. Wait, is this working? Okay. Oh snap, hold on. Wait, there we go. That all working? Yeah, okay, good. Boop. Okay, cool. And then, yes. Okay, we're back. Wow, here we go. 1 minute until the market opens. My God, this thing is fading. It looks so freaking ridiculously heavy. This is nuts. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is insane. Truth Social post, that's what it was. I thought he was yapping. We're right at the VWAP right now, too. Fill the gap to the downside? I mean, maybe. Crazy how heavy this is. 20 seconds, everybody. 20 seconds. Still very heavy. Five seconds. Good luck. Markets are open. Good luck, everybody. Hope your day is amazing. Big exchange here at the 40s. Still going lower here. Wonder if we break below these 30s or not. Be a big deal if we did. Wow, big sellers. That's insane. Can we make it to the 4-hour mid? It's kind of the question. Still some sellers here. Did they have enough to break below these 25s? All it takes is one tweet, I guess, to bring us lower. That could be it. We are perking up here. Coming back down. Can we actually break below 25 now? That is the question. Hesitating at 30s? Okay. That was good. Traded down 10 lot to the downside there for 8,700 bucks. And the S&Ps. I mean, it's more than we had, right? Now featuring George Harrison on the guitar. Well, that's more than we had. 8,787.50. Not bad when you're sick, right? Not too shabby. Oh, let me see what that puts us up on the month, because now I might be able to be happy about something. Let's see. I'm not going to take this again, even though I think personally it will go lower. I think it's going to go lower. So, take with that what you will. Okay, let's see what we're at on the month. Let's see. Pull my statements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Excuse me, but I'm going to put up the calculator. In the words of Too Short, get a calculator, do the math. I made 1,000 songs that made me move your ass. And for the last 300 months, I made 16 albums with me on the front, and they bump. Okay, let's do the math here. Okay, day 1 we made 15,628. Day 2, 87,10. This is with fees, by the way. Day 3, 11,100. Oh man, Friday, I'm so juiced up about Friday. After fees, 56, 495, and then today, 87,850. Please. Yes! We're the greatest alive, baby! Woo! We're the greatest! All right, we're up over 100,000 on the month. That means I'm not gonna trade my personal account anymore because I'm a monkey-brained retard and I like whole numbers. That's why. I'm a retard and I like whole numbers. That's why. Anyway. Instant cure for a flu. Yeah, knowing that you're up 100 grand on the month is nice. We're closing in on last month's total. Who was still short in this trade, by the way? Who's still short? Bagpipe music? I got you, fam. Let's do some bagpipe trap. We got some bagpipe. There we go. How many trade days was that, Rips? 1, 2, 5. Today's the 5th. I played the 5th. Dang, we're really coming down to it now. Stay a while and listen. Greetings. Oh man. Job's done. Yeah, it sounds like all those things. Anybody catch that short though? Off the open, it was lovely, right? Oh man, get that f***ing flute. Yeah, we're trading, baby. We're f***ing trading. I feel bad for anybody who's never watched the stream before. Like, what is this guy? This guy's a f***ing nut job. Wow, we're breaking 4,900s now. Wow. Is anybody long in this market, and why? Why are you long? Why? Why are you long? Please tell me why. If you are. Who would be long right now in their right mind? Seriously. Captain Rips. Alright, maybe we trade some props. This music is epic, by the way. That was good, huh? That was good. Can we follow it up with something better? Oh, snap. We're doing bagpipes now. Your significant other comes in. Honey, what are you watching? Dude, there's this fucking retard on stream. He just made 8 grand playing bagpipe trap music. Oh, I've lost my mind. This is so ridiculous. All right, try this one. Stop. People are ridiculous. Dang, this has the bed squeak sound and everything here. I don't know about this. This is amazing. Hottest beat of 2025. I mean, this is it right here. This is amazing, right?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah. This is my jam right here. The Luda bed squeaks. All right. I don't know what else to say. I don't think I'm going to trade props. All right, we are in Luke Ghislaine now, apparently. I don't control the music, by the way. Can we do a giveaway? Is that how I can make it up to you that I've had a lower energy 6 stream? Can I do a giveaway here? By the way, I traded the S&P today. That's very uncharacteristic of your boy Ripsy. See if this chills us out a little bit here. Okay. All right. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a quick giveaway here, folks. Markets are rolling so hard. It's tempting me to be back in a trade, but I'm sick. I can't do it. I gotta just enough with you. I'm gone. Goodbye. No more. I shall do no more. Let's go with this one. Who traded the S&P today instead of the NASDAQ, by the way? Who traded the S&P instead of the NASDAQ today? Anybody? If you're regularly a NASDAQ trader and you traded the S&P instead? Yeah? I love that. I think it's very smart to do that. What was our entry, by the way? We got in like 35s. Frickin' A. This is insane. We're coming down to the basin of despair. I would be very interested to see what happens at this level if we have formidable sellers down thusly, right around there. 48.55. Be very curious to see that. Oh my gosh, equities are just going to hell right now. It is crazy, right? It's crazy we're at 6,000 in the S&Ps. 20,000 in the NASDAQ. It is crazy. It sucks for these market makers who have to be the bids here. I guess this Navarro was wrong with the whole dig in comment. And I think he meant dig in deeper. Get in there deeper. Reminder, most folks say, oh yeah, we are coming close to that 5%. We are very close, actually. So be careful. Current year low and it's only March. Yeah. I mean, this was a beautiful sell open. I just didn't catch that many points on it. But hey, I blame me being sick, right? On that one trade that we took, we did make, we were at like 1,500 bucks before, 1,800. So we made like 6 grand on that trade. I'm happy with that. That's fine. On 10 contracts, that's 30 points. Something like that. I don't know. Does Tradeify enforce the limit down rules? They do not. Dude, it's April. Yeah, yes, it is. You're letting the sick guy run a stream right now. Don't hate me. We are doing the ball. Nice. Yes, yes, indeed. All right, I gotta do this giveaway. I'm losing it. There's not very many professions where you can feel like this, like sick, and still smash the market for 99 G's. You know, 5% is down from which open. Right now we're trading 4.6% down in the Nasdaq and 4.2% down in the S&Ps. Just so you know. I don't know what the percent down rules for Apex PAs are. I don't know that they have any. I have no idea, actually. Does anybody know? Chandi, are you having a good time? Where's Pratty? That's the real question. Chandi, you find me Pratty and we're in business. Go get him. Have you took any trades today? I took a very minuscule trade where we made $8,700 total. So yes, the answer is yes. Best M. We have taken a trade today. They don't have any. They just don't want you to get caught and limit down. That makes sense. Giveaway time? I think it is. What do you folks want? You want accounts or you want a free month of MC? Let's vote. Start a poll. Free Apex account? Month of MC. What do you want me to give away? Okay. There we go. Vote in the poll. I'm gonna go on my couch and just listen to this music on repeat. This is a vibe. This is a vibe right here. 3-report trade closed out. Nice work, Acumen. Oh my gosh, the Nasdaq is so pretty. Oh my god, dude, the Nasdaq's so dope. I could have made freaking bundles on that. Music makes me want to watch Indian Jones. Is that different than Indiana Jones? We got Indian Jones, we got Indiana Jones, and we got Michigan Jones. I also want to watch India. No, why'd you fix it? It was way better. That's one of my favorite Bollywood movies, Indian Jones. Losing my mind. Yeah, this is the theme song from Indian Jones. You don't remember it? You don't remember this? This is from the title credits of Indian Jones. Indian Jones, the Temple of Nod. Come on, dude. That's amazing. It's so good. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I'm sorry. Snakes? Why did it have to be? Stop. Yeah, I'm sorry. I blame the Dayquil. Yeah, sorry. Okay, all right. Free Apex account. Here we go, everybody. I'm not making fun of Indians. Jesus. Why does everybody jump to like, I'm offended? Dude, it's a joke. Good God. Raw shrimps. That's correct. I like the music. I love Indian people too. There's a lot of Indian traders out there, actually. Some very talented Indian traders, believe it or not. All right, let's go ahead and run the giveaway. Let's run the jewels here. Dude, I thought the song was over and we came right back. I thought the song was over. They brought it back with a vengeance. All right, I'm doing this. Giveaway time. It is giveaway time. Oh, God. Okay, regular viewer luck. Wait, hold on. Subscriber luck, 10x. Nice. I can give the moderator 10x. Let's do that. Mods get 10x the luck. Rips mod, you're gonna get 10x the luck. Okay. Okay, VIPs get 10x the luck. Subscribers get 1x. Okay. Okay, here we go. Wait, hold on. What in the world? Okay. All right, folks. Sorry, I'm losing my mind today. We're over 100K in our personal on the month. I'm very happy about that. I'm going to have you folks click a link here. We're going to do a little bit of a scavenger hunt. Dude, when I'm sick or I'm tired, I lose my mind. I lose my freaking mind. I literally, like, get used to this. Okay, click that link, please. Right there. If it pops up and says allow cookies, it helps me out if you click allow cookies. I want you to scroll. See, to the left there, it says, hold on, let me show you. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Right here. This pops up right there. It helps me out if you click that button. If you don't want to help me out, that's fine. Don't click the button. It's your life, right? You don't want to help me out, that's fine. But it does help me out if you click that. It helps me out big time, so. Okay, scroll down where it says day one payouts in your pro blank. You're going to type in the keyword that I said, blank, one single time. If you type it in more than once, you will be disqualified from the giveaway. Okay. That's it. That's all you have to do. We can all go home. There you go. The keyword. Everybody's getting it in now. Nice. Very nice. Dayquil rip strikes. Dude, I mean, sometimes I just lose my mind. Okay, give me another. You know what I want to do? Another genre of music. Let me think here. That sounds nice. Hold on. There it is. That's what we wanted for the giveaway. They updated the giveaway too. I think it's going to be better with the chat filter. This is a brand new version of Nightbot. So what I think is happening here is that we're seeing a squeeze on the early shorts, but I don't think that this can last for too long. I really don't. I think that we're going to have inflection points at 5,000 and then again at 5,050 and then at 5,100 in the S&Ps. How to use the DOM. Is there any book you would advise on reading the topic? It's actually, I'm from the camp of self-taught everything. I had mentors along the way that helped me more than anything to help me with option stuff. But I taught myself how to read tape from just reading the tape. And it's going to take you a long time to become proficient at it. And maybe it's not for everybody. I mean, there's some people that just like, I don't think they'll ever get it, but I don't know of any books. I've never read any books on the depth of market, but market structure, market profile. Hold on, pipe down. I suggest 2 books, and they're not fun and easy reads. They're the kind of book where you read a page and then you have to go back and read it again because there's so much information on it. But, hey, nice work there, Jose. What I would say is this, read these books because they'll be helpful in reading TPOs, which can then translate over into reading market profile, market structure. And that can assist you in understanding the auction process and how the DOM works and everything. Okay, so it is markets in profile and mind over markets. That's it. I'm going to give away 3 Apex accounts, 3 free Apex accounts. Let's start rolling here. If you do win, you have to be following me on Instagram and on X. The username's right there, Selling Rips. Follow me right now if you haven't already. All right, here we go. First winner. It is Crypto Trades. If this is the one I think it is, this person's a G. And it's always the green names, you get 10x the luck. I'm pretty sure that you are in here all the time. If it's the same person, I think it is. Or you have a very similar name to somebody else who has it. Yeah, there you are. Excellent. What was your name on Instagram again, please? So I can find you. Yes. If you type yo 1 million more times, it'll work. I forget what your username is. It's like, yeah, that's right, Envy. Thank you. There you are. Hello. Congrats, free Apex. Well, congrats. One. There we go. Boom. Sweet. Okay, here we go. We're doing it 3 times. Second winner is Tai Hong. Tai Hong, you are the winner. Oh my God, that looks scary how accurate that is. That really does look like me. Oh my God. All right, what's your username on X or on Instagram, please? That is insane. That looks way too scarily accurate. Look at this. Somebody just posted this. Type in your username, Taihong. I can find you. This is so funny. Somebody just posted this in Discord. That's me today. That's Rips on Dayquil. That's me. Okay, let me find you here. Make sure you're following me. How funny is that? Looks just like me. Let's see. Okay, it's got to be on Instagram then. Wow, we are bowling now. We are bowling indeed. Okay, let's see. Let me grab this. Just give me 1 second, then we got one more winner. You do follow me. Congratulations. Send you a message right now. Congrats. One free Apex. Boom. Got you. I'll send you folks the coupon code in just a moment here. I'm going to pass out on my couch. All right, here we go, folks. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rolling. It's going to Adam Productions. Dude, you were just saying last week that you never win anything. I remember you. You were saying that you don't win anything. That was you. I remember you. You were just saying last week how you don't win anything. Got him. Gotcha. Got him. Okay, what's your username on X or Instagram? He wrote it 2 minutes ago? No way. Oh, that's funny. And now he won. And now everyone's ready. I never won. Okay, you got to do the follow-up, though. We got you on a clock here. Got to type in whatever your username is, because if you don't, can't find you. Can't send you the goods here. Jayhawk says, I also don't win anything. You folks think we're going to hit 5,000 here? What do you think? You think we're going to get that 5,000 in the S&Ps? Type it without the @ symbol, Adam Productions. Or just write my username is, or spell it out, or put dots in it or something. I don't know. It's got to show up on screen, though. Oh, and as we were talking, it did hit 5,000. Adam, I'm going to put you on the clock for 1 minute starting now. 1 minute. His username is not Chandi. I don't know why it bugs out for some people. What do you need to do on the website? Nothing. Write it again. Write it in a way that's going to get it through the filter. I wish it, you can see what I see, so nobody else can see what you're writing. It's just the way of the world. Put spaces in it, put dashes in it, just keep spamming it until it comes through, there's definitely a way to make this happen. Just try multiple ways to get it through the chat filter. There you go. Awesome. Simple. There you go. We're good. That's it. I don't know why it doesn't work the first time. All right. Probably did with the @ symbol, I'm guessing. Let's see. Make sure you follow me here. Folks want to do one more? Yeah, you do follow me. Congratulations, buddy. My man. Congrats. 1 free Apex. Boom. Gotcha. My man. Okay. One more? Do one more? Let's do one more. Okay, last one. Here we go. Final giveaway of the day is going to Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna. Come on down, Ramakrishna. Yes, it is. What is your username, my friend? Dude, this is ridiculous. Look at this now. I gotta show you folks this one. Okay, let me see if you're on Instagram first. Oh, perfect. You do follow me. You're on Twitter. My man. Congrats. 1 free Apex. Awesome. All right, everybody. Well, if you missed the earlier part of the stream, you would know that we crushed it today. Well, we didn't crush it. We did okay. We made $8,700 trading in our personal brokerage account. This is our Edge Clear account. Let me so you can see it. There's that. You can see right there. It's my Edge Clear live account. This is the Rips account. This is the live account. This is the real live market. Blah 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 blah. We made $8,787.50 for trading the S&P today. We did well. We did some things. So I'm proud of that. Very happy about that. I'm going to lock it up here because I'm very sick. I need to get some rest. Markets are doing things right now. There's lots of opportunities today. You need to be very, very careful because if you're not careful, you can get completely crushed today. So just be very, very careful out there. Use smaller size today. Like use micros. If you've ever used minis before, use micros today, okay? Do that. So that actually officially puts us up over $100,000 in our personal brokerage account for this month alone. So that's 5 trading days. We're up $100,000. Last month, we made $105,000 across the whole month. We didn't have a single red day. So far this month, knock on wood, we have not had a single red day, and we're up $100,000 for the month, and we are only 5 trading days in. So very proud of that. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I should be feeling better tomorrow. We had some laughs today. We had some fun. But again, please be careful out there. It's going to be a dangerous market. Size down. Let the market move. Don't get frustrated. If you're feeling frustrated, lock it out. Wait for tomorrow, okay? GG's, everybody. Take care. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Folks in Discord, don't go anywhere. Take care, everybody on YouTube and X. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye.